Hello, and welcome to Saturday. Today was a really. It was a good day. It's a nice day. It's a fun day. For the most part, it was my friend Jade and I just watching through some Miraculous Ladybug. And me roasting the heck out of it. Like, literally, like, I'm having a fun time going through it, and part of this fun time is me nonstop just tearing into these characters. It's the roast of Miraculous Ladybug and Cat Noir is just so fun. I'm glad I'm doing it with a friend. Because honestly, I feel like this is a series I never would have watched alone. But there's so many things that I wouldn't have watched alone that I have watched with her. And honestly, it just like escalates the viewing experience. It's great. But yeah, we did like a short stream later in the evening. Played some Dead by Daylight for the first time in a while. She had to download it because it just was not installed. It was a fun day. So that is it for today. I gotta go wash some dishes from dinner. So, yeah. And then after that, it's off to bed. So as always, I'll see you tomorrow.